Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PayPal app crypto access detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the PayPal app and remove its crypto access, begin by locating the app on your device. If you are using an Android device, open the app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list of apps until you find the PayPal app. Press and hold the PayPal app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall or drag the app icon to the top of the screen where it says Uninstall. If you are using an iPhone, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Press and hold the PayPal app icon until all icons start to jiggle. Tap the small X or the minus sign that appears on the corner of the app icon. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Once uninstalled, check your device storage to ensure the app has been removed. To further ensure the crypto access is disabled, log into your PayPal account via a web browser. Navigate to the Settings section once you're logged into the account. Find the Crypto tab or section to verify that your crypto access has been disabled. If necessary, remove any linked crypto wallets or disable features related to cryptocurrency. Finally, check your email for any notifications regarding your PayPal account changes. Ensure that all your crypto transactions are complete and your account settings are in order. Your PayPal app and its crypto access have now been successfully uninstalled and removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.